English story. Cafe Colombo is always busy. There are always people sitting at the tables in Cafe Colombo. The men and women are all well dressed. They drink coffee, they eat ice cream, they read newspapers. Charlie does not sit in Cafe Colombo. Charlie is not well dressed. He sits on the pavement outside Cafe Colombo. He sits on a small box. Charlie is a shoe shine boy. Charlie shines shoes. He does not go to school. He walks all day. Charlie shines men's shoes. He shines ladies' shoes. He shines black shoes. He shines brown shoes. He shines blue shoes. Shoe shine, shoe shine. 10 cents, 10 cents. 10 cents shine. A man in Cafe Colombo shout, Charlie? Charlie cleans the man's shoes. The man gives Charlie 10 cents. Charlie takes the 10 cent coin. He picks up his box. He goes back to the pavement. An old man walks slowly along the pavement. The old man is carrying a large boat. There is a notice on the boat. The old man is selling lottery ticket. Buy a ticket, win a fortune. $1 is a ticket. Give me a ticket, hurry. A well-dressed man in Cafe Colombo is shouting. The ticket seller gives the man a ticket. The man gives the ticket seller $1. The well-dressed man is in a hurry. A taxi is waiting. The man puts the ticket in his pocket quickly. The man gets into the taxi. The ticket falls out of his pocket. The wind blows the ticket into the air. Charlie catches the ticket. He has the ticket in his hand. Charlie waves his arm. He shouted loudly, Your ticket, your ticket. The man does not hear Charlie. The taxi moves away. Charlie stands on the pavement. The ticket is in his hand. Cafe Colombo closes at midnight. Charlie home is far away. Every night, Charlie has long walk home. Charlie's mother is waiting for him. He gives her all the money. Charlie has no father. Charlie has younger brother and younger sister. Charlie's mother needs the money. She buys food with the money. Charlie shows his mother the lottery ticket. His mother looks at the ticket. She reads the number 753-812946. Is this the winning number? Perhaps it is Saturday 21st is tomorrow. Perhaps tomorrow will be the lucky day. Charlie is tired. He puts the ticket on his box. He falls asleep. Charlie has a dream. A goat comes into the house. The goat finds the ticket. The goat is eating the ticket. The goat eats the number 6. Goat eats the number 4. The goats eat the number 9. Charlie wakes up. It is morning. The ticket is not on the box. Where is the ticket? Charlie runs to the lottery office. Charlie sees his mother. She has the ticket. The man is shouting out the winning number. 753-81429. Will the next number be 6? Will it be the lucky number? Will it be the lucky day?